Hi viewers, the next concept in the Turing machine is transitional representation of Turing machine. So we know what is a Turing machine and the mathematical notations of the Turing machine. So we have in Turing machine there are 7 tuples represented as m is equal to q, sigma, gamma, delta, q naught, b and f. Already we discussed in the previous classes, and the transitional function gamma, transitional function delta consisting of the form q cross gamma, which produces or derives q cross gamma cross L or H, which means here the first is the present state and second is the present input. Here we can represent it as a single character which belongs to the gamma, and the production produces a state and a symbol which belongs to gamma, and written on the input tape, and the head moves to either left or right or halt. Now, what is a transitional diagram or transitional representation of a mission? The graphical notation we are giving to the mission is called a graphical representation. We all know, so already this transitional representation is given to the mission in finite automata and pushdown automata. Here also the same. So here we have two different states. One is initial state and the final state and intermediate states. So all the intermediate states are represented with circle, and here the initial state. So a circle with an arrow indicates the initial state. See here, this is the arrow. So this is a circle representation. So Q naught is the initial state. A circle with an arrow is the initial state, and a state with double circle indicates a final state where the mission halts finally. So when a string is travels and finally it reaches to final state, then only the string is accepted or rejected. So in this particular state, the string is accepted or rejected, and it is denoted with double circle. QF is the final state. One more thing is a arrow. So all the transitions are denoted with arrow. So the label of the state transition consisting of, here we know, so in the Turing machine also we have an input symbol and rewritten symbols, and the directions we are moving in the tape, either left to right or halt. So the read head moves either to left or to the right. These are all the labels we indicated in this particular transition. See this diagram. So this is the initial state, this is the final state, here it is the transition. These are all the labels represented for this transition. A is the input symbol, X is the tape symbol. So A is rewritten as X and moves to one step right, which means here, so A/X comma R, it is the label given to this transition. We know very well A is the input symbol, X is the tape symbol, and R represents the direction either left or right. Here we represent R is the right. Now see the example here. In the previous class we have designed a Turing machine for the language L is equal to a power n b power n, where n is greater than 0. For this particular language we designed a Turing machine. So now I am representing the transitional notation, graphical notation of the Turing for the language, given language. See, I am showing the transitions also for in the yesterday's class. In the previous class I have given all this transition for the language L is equal to a power n b power n. So see the transition simultaneously. I am showing this thing. So from initial state Q naught, I am starting traversing the string. Now from initial state, by taking input A, I am moving to Q1 state. See, with A moving to Q1, and this is A is rewritten as X, so moving to right. Moving to right. Similarly, for all the transitions from Q1 to Q1, I am going Q1 to Q1 with A input. I am going to write with Q A slash A comma R indication. For this transition Q1 comma B tends to Q2. So Q1 to Q2 with B input. So rewritten as B is rewritten as Y and moving to left. For this transition Q2 to Q2, Q2 to Q2, Q2 to Q2. So A slash A, which means here we need not to change the cell symbol A and move to left. For this transition Q to X, see Q2 to Q0. So see, this one is the transition. So here X is the input and X is not going to be changed and moving to right. For this transition Q1 comma Y, Q1 comma Y is the input and it is going for Q1 itself. This is the transition label. This is the label for this state. Y by Y comma R. Y is the input, Y is the rewritten symbol and move to R. Next, from Q2 to Q2, Q2 to Q2 with Y as the input, Y is the rewritten symbol and move to left. And Q0 to Q3. So Q0 to Q3. Here is the transition. Q0 to Q3. Y is the input. Y is the rewritten symbol and move to right. And Q3 to Q3. Q3 to Q3. Y is the rewritten input symbol. Y is the rewritten symbol moving to right. And here finally Q3 to is going for Q4. We can going for Q4 or also QF indicates here QF final state, no. So here also I am changing this one here QF. So Q3 to QF it is going. B is the input, B is the rewritten symbol. So we are not going to change B and we are finally halt the mission. So this is the entire transitional representation or transitional notation or graphical notation of the Turing mission for the language L is equal to A power n, B power n. I think you understand. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For more updates on flat classes, subscribe my Rajni Tutorials YouTube channel.